Ever feel like your brain is frozen, overloaded, or just plain stuck? You open a tab and forget why. You reread the same sentence 3 times. It's not burnout, it's a signal. Your brain needs a reboot. Here's how to reset your brain in 60 seconds. No phone, no caffeine, no scrolling required. Step 1. Stop what you're doing, close your laptop. Put down the pen, just pause. Interrupting the mental loop is the first step. Otherwise, your brain keeps spinning on autopilot. Step 2. Exhale twice as long as you inhale. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your brain's calm mode. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 8. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Within seconds, your heart rate slows and your focus returns. Step 3. Look out a window or at something 10 feet away. Shifting your gaze from a screen to a distant object gives your brain a rest. It reduces visual strain and activates the reset zone in your brain's attention network. Step 4. Touch something real, ground yourself through your senses. Touch a cold glass of water. Run your hand over a textured surface. Feel your feet on the floor. Sensory grounding brings you out of your head and back into your body. Step 5. Ask your brain a simple question. What's the next smallest step I can take? This bypasses overwhelm and gives your brain direction. You don't need motivation, you just need motion. 1 minute, 1 breath, 1 shift in focus. Your brain doesn't need more input. It needs space, presence, and a pattern interrupt. Want more mini brain resets and practical tools for clarity and calm? Check out our video on overthinking and how to stop it before it spirals. If you enjoy brain hacks and food and drink benefits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video from Smart Brain and Kitchen. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.